This webinar will be covering Aspect's ERP Interface function. Let us begin. On the left menu bar, select Setup, then ERP Interface. The ERP interface is only used when Aspect is pulling data from and pushing data to an ERP system. The interface tool shows us the waiting, processed, and failed data imports and exports. This is where we will go and search when we have missing data, such as work orders. First, we select imports from the drop-down list. We then click on either waiting, processed, or failure. It is important to note that the processed function may take a while to display due to the large amount of processed data. We should try only use processed option when we are using the search function. This can be done by typing in the search criteria, like part or work order number, then select Find Now, and click on the waiting, processed, or failure options. In this instance, one part of the data, being the material definition, was successfully processed, while another part, the product definition, was unsuccessful. The failure will show a reason for the error. This can then be sent to Aspect support team for remedial action. The exports at this stage are not important and will be dealt with in another lesson. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.